Before we begin, let yourself fully arrive. Let the tension soften from your shoulders. Take a slow, deep breath. And again, softer this time. You are not behind. You are healing in ways no one can see. You are growing roots, not just leaves. Your growth is quiet, but it is real. It's okay if the world doesn't notice yet. Your timing is sacred. I trust the rhythm of my life. I am not on anyone else's clock. I am not here to race. I am here to bloom. I am safe to take my time. I bloom gently. I rest without guilt. I move when it feels right. I am becoming. Slowly, steadily. I am not broken. I am being restored. I choose softness, even when the world is loud. I let go of the pressure to perform. I welcome stillness. I am exactly where I need to be. I am enough, even now. Come back to this space anytime. You are not behind.